Hey y'all, tonight coming back at you with another hairstyle video. Like, what? Who am I? It's like, but I'm coming at you with a boho bob full lock. Okay, so when I'm doing this voiceover, I still got my plaits in because I was like, I ain't staying up all night doing this, so it's the next day. But look at all this hair. She is real thick, and I know she different colors, so don't even talk about me in the comments. And also, I know I need a trim. But let me put these daggone glasses on. But y'all, to be honest, them glasses didn't even work. Like, the glare was just too much. But I'm going to start off by parting my hair. I'm going to do a different parting style because, you know, I just wanted to see something real quick. So I'm going to do these square parts. And then also shout out to Blessed by Des. I believe that's her name. I'm going to put her YouTube down below because this is where I got, you know, the tutorial from, the idea from, all that. So yeah, y'all know I like to hydrate my hair because it's colored. As you see, this joint is colored, and I didn't even bleach it, y'all. I know y'all probably like, what? Yeah, I didn't even bleach it to get this color. But okay, so I'm gonna start off with the plaits. I'm gonna plait all my hair all around, and I'm gonna put that hydrating stuff at the ends because my ends need it. And just listen to the music. I'm gonna stop talking for now. That was too close. Did y'all just hear that? Alright y'all, so this is the hair that I'm using. I'm using the Cuban twist in the inches 16 and the color 530. And then I am also using the Waterwave hair by Freetress in the inches 14 and 530. It's gonna be linked down below. But y'all, this is what I had so far. I know my roots are peach and the hair is burgundy. But y'all, I didn't feel like waiting for my hair to grow out to get this daggone color in it. But I'm going to take that Cuban twist hair and I'm going to cut it in half because it was just too long for the length that I was going for. So, and then also it saves you hair. Oh, y'all, I used 2 packs of Cuban twist and then 7 packs of the Waterwave hair. And then I also cut the Waterwave hair in half also because it was too long as well. All right, y'all. So since my hair is kind of long, I'm going to crochet it up. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna put that crochet hook inside that braid, and then I'm gonna grab the end of my braid, put in that loop right there, the crochet hook, close it, and then pull it through. That's just gonna shorten the braid so it wouldn't be as long. And yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm going to use a half of Cuban twist. And if you didn't see my soft locks tutorial, y'all should go watch that after you watch this, you know. But I'm going to crochet all of my hair in the roots of my braids. So I use a half of the Cuban twist hair, a half of the Waterwave, and then one whole piece of the Waterwave. And to be honest, if I do this again, I will use 2 pieces of water wave hair so I could wrap it, because I wrapped it too tight and it became too stiff. So that's what I would do different. And I also would, you know, make bigger parts because my hair just became too full and everything like that. And then also I would just measure out the lengths correctly, because y'all gonna see at the end when I reveal my full masterpiece. But there was just too many different lengths of my hair, so that's what I would do differently. But you know, it's my first time, so got things to learn. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna take that full length of water wave hair. I'm gonna make one side shorter than the other, and I'm gonna start wrapping just like I did in my soft locks tutorial. I'm gonna start wrapping the roots just like that. And then when I feel like the roots are tight enough, then I'm gonna start using my thumbs to make it more distressed. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. Alright, y'all, so watch my thumb. I'm gonna break into the hair that I was wrapping with. So I'm gonna pull out a little bit and then wrap around it. Just watch my thumb and watch the hair. Yeah, see, I'm wrapping it around, pulling out. So it's just all on you how distressed you want yours to be. You could pull out more or, you know, less. It's just all on you. That's what I like about this hairstyle, because you could be as messy as you want, as neat as you want. You know, it's all on you. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking right now, and then I'll come back when we get to the ends, because the ends I had a little trouble with. So I'm gonna show y'all what I did. Oh yeah, I did also use another half of that water wave for the ends because I did run out of wrapping hair. So I just put it on there. I held it with my finger and I just started wrapping around itself just to secure it. And then just do the same thing you've been doing for the whole entire lock. Just keep on distressing it, wrapping it, just whatever you want to do. Alright, here we are at the end. So I have the Cuban twist hair that's left over just a little bit. So I'm going to twist it so it could be easier to fold. So I twisted and folded it up. And then I wrapped the remaining water wave hair that I had left over there. And I just wrapped it around it. And I put nail glue in order to secure it. So it won't come out. I mean, you could cut the remaining piece, but I just folded it up and wrapped the water wave around it to secure it. And then that's the end. Some of the ends looked cute and some of them looked crusty. All right, y'all, but that's just what it is.
You bring me joy, don't go.
All right, y'all. So at this point, I was just looking at it and I was like, yeah, it's too full. So I was trying to see what styles I could do to make it look, way better. And this half up, half down, I'm living for it. So I put some mousse on it to see if it will like lay down flatter and stuff like that and won't be as stiff. It helped a little bit. Excuse me, y'all. It helped a little bit, but it's not where I want it to be. So I'm just rocking this bang action with the half up half down bun, and that is so cute. So I'm gonna see as my hair, as I wear it, is it gonna like lay flatter and stuff like that. So we'll see, but that's it, y'all. That's basically it. I'm gonna spray some oil sheen on my hair also because that's what I do after I do my hair and do somebody else's hair. Alright, y'all, we reached the end of this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, it's okay, put a thumbs down. You know, it's all on you. And subscribe, y'all. We almost at 1,000. When we get to 1,000, I'm doing a giveaway. But I'll see you on the next video. Bye.